In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your rentals. We'll walk through a simple, practical flow you can follow from day one, so you always know what's booked, what's available, and what needs your attention. First, centralize everything in one source of truth. That means storing your inventory, bookings, schedules, and requests in a single workspace instead of scattered spreadsheets and messages. When everything lives together, you reduce double bookings, keep communication clear, and make reporting much easier. Next, head to the Rentman website. This platform is built for rental workflows and is especially popular with AV and event teams, but the approach applies broadly to rental operations. If you don't have an account yet, click Start Free Trial. Create your workspace with the basic company details, then confirm your email. During setup, focus on the essentials you actually use right now. You can always expand later. A quick tip, keep your naming conventions simple and consistent so the whole team can find items fast. If you already have an account, just click Login and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, you're ready to start managing your rentals. Begin on your dashboard and click Add Widget. Your dashboard is your control center, so tailor it to show only what helps you take action. Start lean. Add a few high-value widgets and build from there as your process matures. One key widget is My Schedule. This gives you a clear view of reservations, appointments, crew assignments, and transport activities. Use the date filters to focus on today, the week, or a custom range, and rely on color coding or labels to spot conflicts quickly. It's also helpful to block prep and turnaround time to protect your team's capacity. Another core area is projects. Think of a project as a complete rental job or event. Within a project, you'll add equipment, set dates, track locations, and monitor availability. Keep project titles clear and include the client and event date so they're easy to search. Notes are great for special requirements and handoffs. You'll also find rental requests. This is where new inquiries land. Review incoming requests, check availability, and decide whether to proceed. Keeping status labels consistent makes handoffs smoother and ensures nothing is missed. Finally, write tasks to capture action items. Assign a due date and an owner so accountability is clear. Short, precise task names work best, and linking tasks to the right project keeps context at your fingertips. That's it. Centralize, log in, customize your dashboard, and work from your schedule, projects, requests, and tasks to stay on top of every rental.